Something about Kabir Khan. How special was it to work with someone like him?
He's a good man, he's a good man. And that goodness shows in his storytelling, it shows in his filmmaking. It takes a real mastery of craft and filmmaking to recreate a euphoria 38 years later.
How has this relationship contributed to you being what you are?
अरे सबसे बेस्ट और बड़ी बात तो यही है कि जितनी प्यार और मोहब्बत मेरी वाइफ मुझे दे रही है 83 देखने के बाद, बेस्ट पार्ट तो वही है. I would say more films like 83 and hopefully work towards taking our cinema. अगर बॉन्ग जून हो पैरासाइट बना सकता है, क्यों हम किसी से कम नहीं है.
एक सेंटिमेंट मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, जब फिल्म स्टार्ट हुई तो एक चीज मेरे जहन में ये आ रही थी कि that obviously if Ranveer is there, so he must have worked really hard in getting the bowling stance right and batting stance right. And Saqib, if Saqib is such a hardworking actor, he would have got Mohinder Ramanat's run jo hai properly. Hadi Sandhu is a cricketer. He would have got Madan Lal right. But the important part was that emotional quotient. Getting the story flowing, getting their stories out. वो जिस तरीके से वीव किया है वो कबीर खान ने, कि वैसा लगता है कि वो एक हम लोग कठपुतली हैं व्यूअर्स, एंड ही वांटेड, उनके पास में वो एक मतलब बटन था कि कब हमें हंसना चाहिए, कब हमें कैसे फील होना चाहिए, कब हमारी एक्सटेसी के लेवल्स को वो डिले कर रहे हैं. He is delaying the ecstasy level by getting that pregnant lady, and she's being rushed to the hospital. So something about Kabir Khan. How special was it to work with someone like him?
What I love the most about Kabir is what a fine gentleman he is. What a lovely guy he is. He's so correct, righteous, courteous, warm. He's a good man, he's a good man. And that goodness shows in his storytelling, it shows in his filmmaking. चाहे आप बजरंगी भाईजान देख लो या फिर 83 देख लो. These are warm films about good people, and that's why he's able to that's what he's able to translate through his cinema. The other thing I appreciate about Kabir Khan, which is why I always felt that he's the right guy to tell this amazing, extraordinary story of human triumph, is that his cinematic language is very inclusive. He doesn't alienate any section of the audience. It's a film for everybody. आप बच्चे बूढ़ों के साथ बैठ के देख सकते हैं आप, regardless of age and gender. His cinematic language is so lucid that it can be seamlessly received by a very wide spectrum of audience. Film that's for everyone, and that's what I love about his cinematic language. That's what I love about him as a person. And what I appreciate about him is his level of detailing and homework. It's like he had done an absolute world of homework before getting onto the set. Essay, I would like you to think of it as some kind of very, very fine and complicated mathematical equation. This like detailing har cheez, everything worked out to land at that one thing. तो इतना सारा काम उन्होंने किया ताकि he lands at this. And in the context of 83, what is this? In the context of Bhangi, what is this? This is that euphoria, that emotion that you feel. कि वो बच्ची जब मामू बोलती है बजरंगी में, आपको क्या फीलिंग आती है आपके अंदर. That's what art is meant for, right? To evoke emotion of you, to somebody who views it. या चाहे वो फाइनल में वो अपील हो, जहाँ देश के हर कोने में लोग अपील कर रहे हैं, वो फाइनल विकेट है, वो जो इमोशनल स्वेल आता है, that is what he arrives at. It takes a real mastery of craft and filmmaking to recreate a euphoria 38 years later inside a cinema hall, what was felt at that time. And he's been able to achieve that. Now when I see videos of that are circulating social media of that kind of Euphoria, really. It makes me so proud of the film and so proud of my filmmaker.
Kabir works on multiple levels and layers. I think that is something which is the beauty of his cinema. He's saying more than the obvious story. एक बहुत important part इसमें है जो पंकज त्रिपाठी साहब का जो डायलॉग है कि आजादी मिल चुकी है, इज्जत मिलना बाकी है, कप्तान. Someone who has taken a lot of pride in the work that he does. Um, how important is that level of self-respect for you, and how has it inspired you to take your life journey forward?
I feel like जैसे वो गली बॉय में डायलॉग है ना, ऊपर वाले ने मुझे तोहफा दिया है, opportunity of becoming an actor. जैसे कि ऊपर वाले ने कैसा आवाज़ मुझे, like I told you, what were my chances of becoming an actor? They were 1,000,000 to 1, और मैं बन गया. और I have such value attached to my opportunities that I have a chance today of being an actor in Hindi films. This was a dream for me, and I'm living that dream, so I attach a lot of value to it. And I feel like there are people in the field of philanthropy, social service, of sport, that are doing so much for our country and for our people, and making us proud such that we stand shoulder to shoulder with anybody in the world. Just couples devils made it happen in this most spectacular way back in 83, made us believe that hum kisi se kam. I feel like I have a chance now, being at the forefront of Indian entertainment, that from this platform where I've reached, एक journey होती है, अब मैं एक इस platform पे पहुंचा हूँ, where from here I can do bigger and better things and greater things. I can, through entertainment, create films more of the same 83, or memorable films that our entire country can watch, feel proud, feel something, feel an emotion, films that will be everlasting, that that, like you said, perhaps in the case of 83, 50 years down, 60 years down, you'll still remember those films and you'll be like, क्या film थी ये. और आप दूसरे जनरेशन को बोलोगे टाइमलेस है, आप जाके देखो एक बार, अगर आपने देखी नहीं है आपको कुछ तो महसूस हो. So be a part of more films like that, and also bring our cinema, take our cinema to the world stage. अगर बॉन्ग जून हो पैरासाइट बना सकता है, हम किसी से कम नहीं है. So I feel like that time has come. We have had a late start in cinema, but our cinema is evolving so rapidly around the country. There's such talent doing such great work. I feel like it's just a matter of time. It's around the corner. It's just, we're so close to making that breakthrough where we are widely recognized as the premier cinema around the world. I feel like I have an opportunity to somewhere roll that or make that happen or make it into a reality. So I've been given this sunehra mauka, this most wonderful opportunity of being a performer in mainstream Hindi cinema, that I feel like that's I want to do. अभी जैसे कहते हैं 3 के साथ ऐसे लहू मूल गया कि ऐसा प्यार भी मिल सकता है, ऐसा अप्रिसिएशन भी मिल सकता है, रेकग्निशन मिल सकता है आपको फिल्मों के लिए. तो आप और भी ऐसा काम करें, और भी स्टोरीज ढूंढें जो इंस्पायर करें, एक्सिलरेट करें ऑडियंस को, और आप उतना इज्जत, उतनी प्यार, उतनी मोहब्बत आप कमा सक. Here is a prime example of the power of cinema and the potential. So yeah, I would say more films like 83, and hopefully work towards taking our cinema. We'll always be, we have the language barrier. Slowly the world is becoming one great big entertainment community. You know, हम भी आज Money Heist या मैंने देखी नहीं है, but we watch all these international shows. We are seeing what Parasite went and was able to achieve at a global stage. I feel like we are there too. We have the infrastructure, we have the personnel, like the team of 83. You know, उनके पास ज्यादा पैसे नहीं थे, पैसे तो कम ही है, हमारे बजट्स उनके बजट्स जैसे नहीं है, but we have the heart, you know, and we have the talent. So I feel like, in order to answer your question, that analogy I can see, and that ठीक है, we don't have the interest, maybe that kind of muscle in terms of money or infrastructure, but we've got the heart and we've got the talent, and we can do it.
So basically, you're saying that this has inspired you to maybe take Indian cinema to world stage and lead Indian cinema. That's a great thought. Okay, and Ranveer, in Dubai, when you guys were having that special moment at Burj Khalifa, Deepika had tears in her eyes, and she's an extremely genuine person who's very specific about her own individuality as well. At the premiere, she said that you're looking good. And the way she said it was as if there is no one else over there, and she's just talking to you personally. So I think that's a very special relationship that you have over there. How has this relationship contributed to you being what you are?
अरे सबसे बेस्ट और बड़ी बात तो यही है कि जितनी प्यार और मोहब्बत मेरी वाइफ मुझे दे रही है 83 देखने के बाद, बेस्ट पार्ट तो वही है. Amongst the love and affection, appreciation and reaction from all corners, I would say the way Deepika's reacted, I'm getting a lot of extra love in the past couple of weeks since she's seen 83. You know, she's feeling prouder than ever before and is expressing it to me in different ways, and I am lapping it up. So she's very proud of my work, and I'm getting more love from her and affection than ever before. So this is one of the best things to come out of 83 for me.